bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my love, so I'm gonna show you guys how I created these really super fun, adorable little embellishments. I thought they turned out so cute. They are super adorable. I absolutely adore them. These are little ginger men, and I'm gonna show you how I put these together. Now, let me just explain to you what we're gonna use for the ginger man. I have a whole bunch of these Starbucks gift tags or gift cards because I like to give I like to load these up and gift them as stocking stuffers for my friends and family. And I like to grab a whole bunch of these, especially during the Christmas season, because once these sell out, they don't really restock them. So if what I do is when it comes close to this time, when I see these like little adorable gift cards that have like different kinds of shapes, I like to grab a few, have them handy, so when I'm ready to reload, I have them and I don't have to worry about, you know, them running out of them. And so that's what we're gonna use. Actually, I have a few of these ginger men that I grabbed, and I have some extra, so I figure let me use the ones that I have extra and make them into like really super cute, adorable embellishments. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so that is how I got these adorable little ginger man embellishments. So let me show you what we are working with. Let me pull you in closer to me. Okay, very simple, okay? We're gonna keep this as simple as possible. Okay, I have here these cupcake liners that I'm going to use as the background for the ginger man, okay? We're going to use 2. And what I'm going to do is, what I do with all my cupcake liners, I basically just fold it in half. And then I open it up and I kind of shape them well, give them a nice shape that I can work around, okay? Do the same thing with the other one. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of add these one on top of each other. Okay, but I'm going to actually just kind of, this is the first one and this is the second one. It's going to go a little bit off because I want my gingerbread to sit right in the center of my cupcake liner. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the back of one of the cupcake liners, and then I'm going to attach it right a little bit off, and then you should get something like this. Okay, on the back I'm going to add a little square, a little circle that I punched out of like extra paper. I used my punch and I just punched out 2 circles. I'm going to put 1 circle on the back of this embellishment just to kind of make it nice and neat. And what I'm going to do on the front of the embellishment, what I did here with this one is I added these really cute doilies that I had for a while. You can also add, if you don't have doilies, you can add like stickers, or maybe you can also add like another circle punch in the middle. You can, you know, use whatever you have at home. I just happen to have this doily, which I really love. So I'm going to add the doily right in the center of my cupcake liner, okay? I'm going to add some hot glue. And I'm going to put this right in the center, okay? Very good. Now, the next step is the second circle that I punched out. I'm going to add that circle right in the center of my doily, okay? Because what we're going to do after that is we're going to add a nice little dimensional circle right in the center. So when you add your cupcake, your ginger man, is going to give a little bit of lift of your embellishment, okay? So I'm going to hot glue this circle right in the center of my doily. Just like that. And then I'm going to add my dimension little square right in the center, okay? what we're going to do, we're going to put this on the side and let's work with the ginger man. Okay? So here I have my ginger man, okay, that I got. I'm going to take him out of the little paper that he's attached to. He's super adorable. As you can see here, he's so cute. I love this ginger man. Let me put you a little bit closer. Can I put you more closer? Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do to the ginger man is, the first thing I'm going to do is, obviously, you know me guys, right? I'm going to add little googly eyes to the ginger man. So I'm going to I have here two little tiny little googly eyes right here. I'm going to add those to the ginger man. Okay. Little dot of hot glue. Add the little eyes. Okay. And then I'm going to add another little dot of hot glue. Another eye. Okay. And there you have it. Ginger man has googly eyes. Just make sure you clean around him all these like glue strings. And then you see that? How cute! Beautiful. Okay, perfect. The other thing that I did with my ginger man is I added Santa hat. So I have this Santa hat that I got at Michael's, the sticker. We're gonna add a Santa hat to the ginger man. Okay. And there you have it. Perfect. See that? The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up this Starbucks little symbol right there. And what I did with that is I had these tiny little foam stickers. I believe I got this at Michael's last year, but don't quote me on that. And these have candy canes and peppermint candies. These are really tiny little ones. I'm going to use the tiniest little peppermint candy that's in here, and I'm going to add it right over that little Starbucks symbol, kind of to cover it a little bit. See that? And that really gives it a nice little cute look to it, and it kind of covers that little symbol. And then on top of the little peppermint candy, I'm going to add some bows. I made some bows. I love these. By the way, guys, I'm obsessed with this yarn that I got at AC Moore last year. I love these yarn. Oh my gosh. I love the fact that you have all these magnificent Christmas colors and you can make so many things out of it. I just absolutely adore it. So I made some bows in advance, as you can see here. And I also love that it has all these like 3 colors in one. It's just fantastic. So if you see that yarn at AC Moore, make sure you pick it up. You will love it. Trust me. Okay, so I made some little tiny bows so I can add them right on top of my little sticker that I have there, okay? So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the bow, and I'm going to add this bow right over that candy, peppermint candy, okay? And you should get something like that. You see that? How cute is that, right? Now, if you want to go back and you want to adjust anything, go right ahead. I'm going to add a tiny little bit of hot glue right there. And I'm going to push this back so that the bow can kind of face how I want it to look. See, that looks better. Nice and pretty. Okay. Perfect. Our ginger man is done. All we gotta do now is going to attach him to our cupcake liner, and we have ourselves a fantastic embellishment. So peel the back of your double-sided foam tape. Add some hot glue to make sure that your ginger man doesn't go anywhere. And then you're going to add your ginger man right in the center. See that? How it gives some nice lift to your ginger man? Oh, how cute is this? I love it. Hold it for a few seconds. And that's it. And we're done. Oh, cute. And that is how I made these. These are so freaking adorable. I just absolutely adore them. They're so, so, so cute. So what I'm going to do is, my friends and family that I'm going to be gifting the Starbucks, I usually put like $5. Where are they? Here they are. I usually put $5 in these little Starbucks cards, and then I gift them to them. I'm going to actually use this as a little tag, and then I'm going to wrap their little gift card, and then I'm going to attach this to the gift card. So it's going to look very, very cute. It's going to look kind of like matchy, and it's just going to look adorable. I love it. I just love it. So I hope that you guys got some really good ideas. I hope that you enjoy watching me make these adorable, adorable, super cute embellishments. And let me know what you guys think. All right, my loves? Have a fantastic weekend. I will see you soon. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment. Love you and have a safe weekend. Bye, honey bunnies.